Yeah, it's going to be a big one. Shelby, did y'all have my stream? This wall cloud is rotating very fast. This is Jeremy. Damon, I've got basically two tornadoes in front of me on the ground. The big area, the big circulation, the big tornado where it's just wrapping curtains, it had condensed fully to the ground for a second. This is becoming a dangerous storm, and it's going to be very important for people in Blanchard and Newcastle to take their tornado precautions. I'm going to have to get... Just for a second. Pin it. I want just a very little bit. Make sure that it ain't right on the crack. Pin it where it's barely on the bottom edge. Tucked in the rain. I'm just in the right spot. Oh man, we got rapid rotation now. Left edge. It's going to go down. I'm going to reposition. It's getting really close. Give me a second, Shelby. I'm working my tail off on it, I promise. They might be talking about rain curtains only. Funnel. It's a cone funnel coming out of the left edge of it. Yep. Jeez, man. Hang on a second. It's wrapping. Yeah, it's wrapped in rain. I can see curtains wrapping around it. It's down. Pin that camera right on that. It's down bigger than Dallas now. It's not fully condensed. Let me get out of the way for these guys real quick. Hang on a second. I'm working on my stream. I'm sorry, Shelby. Good Lord. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to get you just at least one shot of it. I just reset. It's fully condensed. Take a picture of that with your cell phone. It's not no more. It's fully in the rain. The rain's fully ingested it. It's gone. Cannot see it no more. Jeez Louise.